And you know what? I suggest I got another download. Actually, I wrote it down here for some reason. I had a tiny circle, the name Weaver. It said write down Weaver, Jonathan Weaver, in small because I had no idea why that name came to me. You should send this to him because you asked me a question that I tried to answer for you based upon his message that he sent you about what is a backstop. And I read it 3 times. I Googled it for you, and I don't know. And I think you should ask him if he would be kind enough to schedule a Zoom call for him to tell you what that meant, because it's exactly what I did. But I'd like to understand what he meant by his that message you showed me. There's a real there's something in there. There's something in there. Maybe that starts a conversation, and then he gives you some advice that is like not related to that. You know what I mean? I just feel you gotta. You don't know what he said to you, what it meant. Either do I. And I know that just him sending more text messages to you, you're still going to be confused. It'll distract you. But if it was a Zoom call for just 30 minutes, and and maybe we can do it when I can be on it with you, because I'm equally as interested in knowing the whole mindset behind. All I know is that what I knew is I had a guarantee and a promise and a loan from Kobe. And I knew I could use that loan and promise as a guarantee to deal with the concern that would stop people from wanting to loan us money, which is why we did GoFundMe, because it's like we're in need, but we don't want to say we're in need for the next month. So we go for a loan, but we need to prove that we're not in need. We got something to back us financially. I'm like, it's obvious that's what a backstop means, right? That's that. But but there's a whole world into what he's talking about that I think we need to know about. There's something he has to offer in terms of advice, even though, you know, I don't like getting advice. Well, no, I only get advice when I feel the person is earned my respect, and I know that through the spirit's guiding me there for something, and it's time for me to listen now. And there you go. See, there you go. I'm going to edit this, guys. Just that, and send it to Jonathan Weaver. This is what happens in our sessions. Or this is an example of